Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, I'm Syarul Kumrayogi. On this occasion, I would like to analyze the Journal of 2030 alumni student at the University of Indonesia, entitled An Analysis Applying the Best Instruction to Teach English to Young Learners. This journal has 20 page. Friends, next we will discuss any points in the analysis applying the best instruction to teach English to young learners. The first one is the title. The second is the order. The third is correspondence. The fourth is abstracts. The fifth is keyword. The sixth is an introduction. The seventh is materials and methods. The eighth is the result and of the research. The ninth is the discussion, and the 10th is the conclusion, and the last there is bibliography or conclusion. Okay, next. We will enter the journal that we are analyzing, a journal entitled The Analysis of Teacher Lesson Plan and Implementing the Best Instruction for Teaching. Volume of the journal, volume 2 of the journal for 2014. The first, we will discuss the title. In the title of the journal entitled The Analysis of Teacher Lesson Plan and Implementing the Best Instruction for Teaching English to Young Learners. The title is in accordance with the content of the journal because it comes from the relevant theoretical explanation. Then the number of words in this journal is sufficient because there are as many as 11 words and doesn't use clear words because the title is very clear. Secondly, we will discuss the author. In this journal, there is one author named Sabti Sesyorina from the English Education Study Program of Indonesia University of Education. The author name is correct because it is not written without using a title. The third is correspondence. In this journal, the author name is accompanied by correspondence or email address. There is also the name of the college and study body of the journal author. And then we will discuss directly to the lesson plan. In the literature review, there are the following definition of literature review. Teachers are busy with series written style, so what they are going to do in the class, which is called lesson plan. Brown 2001 describes the lesson plan as a series of activities that represent steps along the curriculums before and after which you have a break a day or so to evaluate and prepare for the lesson. Okay, we are going to target the findings of the study indicator. Instructional objectives can be achieved. And then this general goal or aim. There are three aspects for learning objects we are analyze. Compatibility with culture extents of A, B, C, D as a representation of the theory of behavioral goals. A, audience, and B also. There are 20. Okay, let's see the table. There are 24 objectives designed in the 15 lesson plans, but only 8 objectives represent the behavioral goals theory. There are and the other 16 destinations do not have the features. In contrast to the previous aspect, the teacher understanding is still lacking in making objectives consisting of complete A, B, C, D. They often neglect to place conditions in their goals to define specific circumstances in which students must be able to perform certain skills. The last aspect is the existence of three learning domains. From the table 3, it can be seen that the goals are only embedded in the cognitive domain. Okay, we are going to Table 7, the assessment designed by both teacher, the objective activity assessment, and then on the objectives, there are identify activities, learning assessments, mention 4 kinds of occupations, and then the next objectives: draw activities, writing assessment, draw and illustrations. Okay, we are going to the conclusion. From the discussion present early, it can be concluded that both teachers were aware of the importance of designing English lesson in which all 5 aspects: goals, objectives, activities, media, and assessments were interviewed. Now, the other interview teacher were able to make goals which were measurable. Okay, that's all from me. I'm Syarul Agung Prayogi. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.